Hello, I am the Ketoing Viking, and today we're going to do cheesy cauliflower with bacon. First, we're going to start with cauliflower. Now, I chose to do frozen cauliflower, but if you wanted to do a head of cauliflower and put it in the steamer for a little bit, that is up to you. I'm lazy. And I battle a lot, so I don't want to come home and cook. After you get them all cooked and sliced up into little bite-sized bits, you take it to the stove. And now we're going to add our cauliflower florets. I've already pre-cooked the bacon. It is important to find nitrite and nitrate-free bacon. And the reason being is because nitrites and nitrates in meat can cause intestinal damage. Although, I'm going to tell you this, people will argue with you constantly about it. But there have been some studies that indicate that yes, nitrites and nitrates in meat can cause intestinal damage, leading to intestinal problems. And no Viking needs intestinal problems when they're out to battle. So now we're going to add a third cup of heavy whipping cream. And stir that right in. I love my cast iron stove and my cast iron skillet. It is so easy to cook with when it's seasoned very well. Next, we're going to add a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Next, we're going to add half a block of cream cheese. Oh, I'm making a mess. Next, we are going to add Havarti. I chopped up this Havarti. It's soft. If you want to shred it, go for it, but it's hard to shred. I just chopped it up really fine. It's not really fine, it's just in cubes. I love Havarti. You can use whatever cheese you want. This one just happens to have some peppers in it. Next, we're going to add some onions. Onions make the enemy cry. Now we're simmering on low. In fact, I'm going to drop it down just ever so slightly more. And then we are going to add our pepper, our really sad garlic clove, and our tears of dragon Icelandic salt. We're going to let this sit and simmer for about 20 minutes. And here's the final product. Oh, it looks amazing. It looks so delicious. Can't wait to try this. Okay. Hot. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's good. Oh, that is a warrior's dish right there. Delicious. Lycka till. Skål.